My neighbor's dog got loose and bit my cat. The cat survived but had to have stitches. I'm facing some pretty hefty pet bills. Is there anything I can do? And that's from Josh. Josh, actually, yeah, there is something you can do. You're talking about animal liability. Lance, we're talking animal liability, dog bites. What's the standard? What's the rule?
Yeah, when it comes to dog bites, it's fairly straightforward. Most of the time, at least involving injuries to people, it's going to be strict liability unless there's signs, and I'll cover that in a moment. But generally speaking, the only things you have to prove with a dog bite for an injury case is that there was some sort, or that the dog, who it belonged to, who owned it, who should have been controlling it, and as long as you can establish those facts and the fact that you're in a place that you should be or that you're permitted to be, then it's going to be strict liability. The owner's responsible for any damages that the dog caused. Probably going to be the same scenario with the vet bills for the cat, unless, and the one, it's a little trickier with the cat than it would be with a human. But yeah, the dog being loose, there's leash laws all over the place, and most likely the damage to the cat is going to be covered by the homeowner's insurance policy, as long as there's not an exclusion, which we commonly do see with dogs. A lot of property or homeowners policies, they will have either an excluded coverage for dog bites depending on the breed of the dog, or in some instances completely, or they may have lower limits of liability than what they would typically have for just ordinary liability.